Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. More of a review today. I picked up this set of Daniu tubular lock picks from eBay. Less than 20 quid. And out of the box, I think it's actually really good. I've actually only got tubular locks for the bigger one, which I think they go 7.5 and 8. Let's get the bloody thing out. So yeah, 7.5 and 8. But yeah, I've only got tubular locks that are 8 mils. So I thought we'd give it a go. Like that, didn't I? Right. So it's a 7-pin tubular lock. As you can see, it does work. So you put it in the lock position. There. That's the lock position. So all you do, from what I can gather, sorry, this is all a little bit. Get this over here. Set all your pins, or all your pusher needles down tight. Then this one, it has got the indent or the detent or whatever inside. Line the arrow up. Give it a wiggle. And there you go. So, it's actually got a solenoid on the back of this one. So yeah, that one works. I've got a little baby one, another 7-pinner. And okay, so he's locked up. So we'll line him up with the arrow. Reset all your needles. It's got these little rubber bands on there to keep the tension right. You can add them, take them away, whichever you want to do. So again, another wiggle. And there you go. Another one done. I've also got this lovely Dynalock that a lovely chap in the States sent me. It's a little bit tight on the centre barrel bit. As you can see, he's all locked up. Line the arrow up. Put a little bit of pressure on this one. Wiggle it side to side. What I did find before, I just altered one, and that got it to open. But yeah, he's just a little bit tight. I think what he wants is a bit of sanding off around the barrel bit there. I did find it did overset one. Maybe that one. I have had it working several times, but yeah, like I say, there you go. I was just pushing a little bit hard, so as you can see. And he stays in when you take it out again. Okay, so he's all locked up. So that is actually set still. Go in, and he's open again. So yeah, I've never used anything like these before. I usually just bend up a piece of wire to use as a tensioner, but I thought, I've been looking at these, they're really pretty for less than 20 quid. You get spare grommets and spare needles, a couple of Allen keys. I mean, what else do you get for 20 quid, or less than 20 quid, that is as useful and pretty as that? So anyway, the Daniu tubular lock pick set, as far as I'm concerned, works a treat. I've yet to try out the two smaller ones, but going by the way the big one works, you can't go wrong for your money, really. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much.